Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Lysol kills cold and flu viruses, kills 99.9% disinfectant spray. This is just the regular 1 pound 19-ounce bottle, 1 pound and 3 ounce bottle, 538 g. And yeah, this is just what the bottle looks like. This is the eliminate odors crisp linen scent. Okay, so starting off about this is just a household product. I feel like everybody that I know has Lysol. Like you go into somebody's house, they have Lysol. You go underneath the cabinet, they have Lysol. I've never questioned how well this works. I just always have said that like Lysol is just one of those products that your mom has and you grow up using it when you go to your aunt's house and she's like, oh, just grab the Lysol, and this product is literally everywhere. So I've never questioned this product a day in my life. I've always been like, yeah, like this is what it is. Like this product is literally like it is what it is. So basically, I had an experience with Lysol and it was not a good one. So I've never touched it ever since that, and I don't think that like I'm gonna stay like not opposed to it, because obviously like it does like do what it needs to do. But I ended up purchasing a Lysol bottle and the cap was defective and I did not realize that, and I ended up pushing down on the bottle, and I don't know if this has ever happened to anybody else, but this part of the bottle ended up flying off and it hit me in my face and the nozzle popped off. And so I was like, oh my goodness, like blah blah blah. It wouldn't have affected me that much if I wouldn't have got a huge scar on my face from it, but I was like, the nozzle popped off, blah, blah, blah. So I ended up like calling my mom and I was like, you would never believe what happened. I was just trying to disinfect my sheets and the nozzle of this Lysol bottle popped off. My mom's like, you have to be very careful. If you push too hard on it, it could pop off. I was like, I'm never using this again. But guys, that's with any product that has a nozzle in it. So aside from, please don't press too hard on the top of the nozzle, what it does do is it is a disinfectant spray. So let's say that if somebody in your household is sick or has the flu or any of those things, if you do spray this on the area or around the area, go around and disinfect your house, spray it a little bit, wipe down any surfaces and stuff like that, it will kill viruses. I don't know how sure I am that it really kills 99.9%, because people always say like they do proven tests and stuff like that, or like they'll like say like it really does and like prove it in other ways that like I really can't foresee, and I'm probably not going to do at-home checks for it. But it does say it does kill 99.9%, and I can be a personal testimony to where I've been sick multiple times and I've had people come over, but I just like disinfect with Lysol really quickly and they will say like they haven't got sick or anything. So I think it does do their job, I think Lysol does do its job. Something else that I do use this product for is, before I tend to like cook in my kitchen and everything like that, there is a window by my kitchen and I'm very skeptical about like the dirt and stuff that gets on it and stuff, and I don't know why, but I think it's gonna fly around my kitchen and that's where you cook your food and stuff like that. So I will use this to like actually wipe off surfaces and things like that, and it hasn't let me down. So I like I haven't used it ever since the nozzle flew off, but these are things that I've had used it for. With the crisp linen scent, guys, too, I really do like that aspect of it, because sometimes, I don't know if this has ever happened too, but if you open your window in your room sometimes, or just in any room in your house, whatever outside smell like that flies in your house, like the outside smell can get on like your clothes and like your furniture and your upholstery and stuff, and you just don't want that to happen. So If you just spray a little bit of this on like your upholstery or your linens or your pillow cases and stuff, and like let it air out a little bit, it should be fine and get rid of that smell. That's why I really like the crisp linen smell. Also too, something else that I've seen people use this for is to clean their shoes. So I don't know what is in Lysol that really helps this, but I've had people spray a little bit on a towelette and go in on like something that they got dirty on their shoes, like especially if it's a white shoe, they got a little dirt, they'll take a little Lysol and wipe it off. So that's another thing too, if you guys are interested in using this in different ways. This product is also good too if you guys are planning on going to a hotel, and you should bring this with you. Very good product too if you just want to like wipe down everything, get everything cleaned off. I suggest this too. It honestly like cleans just as efficiently as any other product or any other disinfectant spray would. So I do definitely suggest that in that way. And also guys too, just be careful. Don't overuse it because it can get in your lungs and in your mouth, and that's with any product. Make sure that you're not spraying it directly by where you're standing. Spray always from a distance. Make sure you kind of cover your mouth too if you plan on spraying it all around the room that you're in. You don't want to get injured or harmed or have anything in your throat that you're coughing up that you don't need in there, or any toxins. So just be very careful with that as well. But like I stated before, this is just the light professional Lysol. Kills cold and flu viruses. 99% of virus and bacteria disinfectant spray.